Hello everybody. Here I have an ABS controller from Volvo C70. ABS and traction dash lamps are lit. Let's see if anything can be done about it. Somebody broke in here before me. The bottom view. Sensors and computer connector. The motor pump connector. I already removed the silicone seal left by the previous visitor. It is easier for me. I don't have to cut it open. This module was not designed to be opened and serviced. Go buy another one, or even better, buy a new car. I don't need magnifying glass to see that connector pin's solder to the board is broken. Bad connector to the pump. No good connection to the wheel speed sensor. Cracked. The previous visitor cutting it open cut through the board. Was repaired with this jumper and seems to be holding okay. Let's magnify this to see the condition of the solder. Not good. A scanner was telling bad pump. Replacing it would not help. No solid electrical connection is the issue here. And I hope only this. Speed sensor pin. This is why the speedometer needle was all over the place. I will resolder pins for the connectors. Hopefully the electronic part is intact. I don't see anything cooked here. Violin resin in isopropyl alcohol. I will remove the old solder and refresh connection using high lead solder. This kind of solder is more resistant to vibrations. But we must be careful with this kind of solder. I will use mask. Using this kind of sucker. Removing old solder. And here we have it. Cleaning any solder splash. Resin for soldering process. Fresh solder. Here you have better view. You can critique my technique, but I did it my way, just like Frank Sinatra. If this will be your first time soldering, practice first and do it the Nike way. Just do it. Remove resin using alcohol. Wine or beer will not do the trick. Here we have it fresh. Now the other connectors. Here I remove this old solder using desoldering wire soaked in resin. Fresh resin. Fresh solder. The other leg. fresh resin, and fresh solder. Cleaning. Now those 4 connectors. Each gets into the board by 2 pins. Sucky sucky. Most of the old is gone. Repeat procedure. You hear that? No, it's not Dark Vader. It is me with mask on. Fresh solder. The corner one must be redone. Yeah, I'm happy for now. I will close the module using butyl tape. It is sticky, doesn't conduct electricity, will keep moisture away, and it is temperature resistant. The unit works undercover. Bond. James Bond. So here it is. I will add some more tape where needed. Yeah, Volvo, it's a sticky business. Originally, this kind of push-on washers keep the cover on. The one I have is too big. Electric tape around. Isn't it beautiful? To the vehicle it goes. Any electric work? Disconnect the battery. The whole ABS unit is here. The module goes on those pipe-shaped things. The bolts are Torx type heads, but 4mm socket works well on them. This tool works like a dream in this tight spot. To get better access, I will remove the air filter cover and move this pipe away. The module. And it is on. Connectors later, when the module will be attached by bolts. This cute little thing ends the job. All 4 bolts in place. The pump connector. clicks. This big connector is pressed into position by this swinging cover. All in place. Air filter goes back in. All connectors back in. The battery connected, and I check if all tools removed from the engine bay before I slam the hood. I should use tool dedicated tray, but as you can see, it is a 3-shade mechanic job. Okay, let's take it for a spin. Before the repair, ABS and traction control was on. Check engine before and after, but this will be addressed later. One scanner was showing P1618, another P0722, both related to speed sensor. Cleared now. The ABS shares electronics with car computer related to the speed. Hopefully those codes were ABS related. All systems go. Houston, we report no problem. Till next time.